How you doing? I'm Louie Gamino with Enviroscape LA. We're here at a backyard in North Redondo Beach, another one of our projects. And if you notice, it's a fairly small area we're looking at behind me here. And you could think, a lot of people have this kind of area. It's a small area, maybe it's kind of vertical next to a wall. Well, you're really limited with what you could do when it comes to planting fruit trees, because automatically we think of fruit tree, think something big and bushy, right? Kind of taller than me and bushy, you need that amount of space. Well, not always. What we're doing here, if you notice, we have a series of 4 fruit trees on about a 15-foot width span. And if you notice, we have some eye hooks in here. We're doing what's called espaliering them to the wall. So they're going to grow horizontally and laterally, for that matter, and vertical, but attached to the wall. So if you see all these little green eye hooks over here, what we're doing is we're training these guys to grow near the wall. So we're going to maximize the amount of space that we have. We have a navel orange, there's a bear's lime, there's an apple tree here, 3 different grafts on it, as well as a plum tree. And all these guys are going to grow maybe 6 feet tall. But again, the footprint on it is very narrow. We're coming out maybe 12 inches, 18 inches off the wall as a planting area that they're going to utilize. So all those roots are going to grow down here, but we're going to have plenty of fruit attached to the wall. So just the tip from Enviroscape LA, you can always espalier your fruit trees and maximize the use of space that you have, even if it's a little area. So when you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.